boat fishing. When inshore fishing, a rod that is between 7 to 8 feet long is a good option. The line should have a breaking strain of between 12 to 20 pounds. You can use the same kinds of lures and baits as you would for bank fishing, but just keep in mind that the prey largemouth feed upon in shallower waters will be different than the prey in deeper waters. Please like and subscribe to learn it all.